One of the missions of the West Coast Black Theater Troupe is to provide a stage for aspiring young artists to raise money to help further their careers. Alyssa White is one of those young artists, and she is today's Sound of the Suncoast.
Something told me it was over when I saw you and her talking. Something deep down in my soul said, cry, girl. When I saw you and her walking around, ooh, I would rather go blind more than to see you walk away from me, child. Ooh. So you see, I love you so much that I don't want to watch you leave me, baby. Most of all, I just don't want to be free now. Ooh, ooh. I was just sitting here thinking of your kiss and your warm embrace, yeah. With no reflection in a glass that I held to my lips, now baby, reveal these tears on my face. Ooh. And baby, I'd rather be blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me. Be blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me.
Wow, you are great.
So much emotion.
Oh, yes.
That's what I loved.
Your
Wow.
show, it's Monday?
It is Monday.
Tell us about it.
I'm doing a show to make a CD, like an EP. And the show is a tribute to love. Basically, I was in love with a guy.
Oh, we know this story.
Yeah, exactly. This is my first time, so it's going through the stages of, how love is and how it ends, and,
It'll make you a better singer and performer.
Yeah,
That's true.
That's
true.
And it's going to be at West Coast Black Theater.
Yes, it will be at West Coast Black Theater Troupe.
Very exciting. Well, we're excited about that.
A tribute to love on May 23rd, westcoastblacktheater.org for tickets and more information.
And you're going to sing some more for us?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's hear some more.
Yes.
To the moon, let me play among the stars, and let me see what spring is like on